Hi, this is Sumit and welcome back to Knowledge Modulation's new video. In your day-to-day life, you are working as an IT professional and somebody is coming to you and just giving their laptops or the systems, or they are just coming with their queries that I'm not able to reach to the particular site. I'm not able to download these particular particular repository from this particular site or the GitHub repository or Bitbucket, whatever it is. I'm not able to download it. I'm not able to clone it. I'm not able to reach to the particular site, etc, etc, etc. So if you are new, or even though if you are experienced, then things comes in mind that how I can figure it out, that why this user is not able to reach to the particular site, or why these things are not getting downloaded. Even though we have the working internet connectivity, it's very good working internet connectivity, and even though my colleagues, another members from the same team are able to download it, but what are the possible causes that this particular user is not able to download it, or whole your team is not able to download it, or in your organization it is not working? So what are the possible reasons that you are not able to reach to the particular site, or whether it's the network issue, whether it's issue from your system side? You have to figure it out as a network engineer, as a system engineer, or the server engineer, or if you are working in an IT profession, you have to know these tools by using which you can troubleshoot and you can find out the proper reason why you are not getting that things done. I'm Sumit again, and I am trying to help you with those fabulous applications or the tools which we can use it and we can troubleshoot this kind of issues very easily. The first command is ping. You might laugh that, oh, this is the simple ping command, everybody knows it. But yes, it is very useful that if you are not able to reach to the particular site, you have to use this ping command only to check whether you are able to reach to the particular site or not. Also, if you are doing some testing that other part you have some another machine or it has some network connectivity issue, so you can put the continuous ping by just simply providing -t flag to the ping command, and you will get the continuous ping replies. By using that, you can analyze whether there is any network lag or connectivity problem, connect, disconnect, and etc. So it's very useful command. Although it is the basic command, it's very useful command and very important command. Don't neglect that it is a very simple command. How we can use it? If you want to use it, it's very fastly you can use it, and at the multiple operations you can use this ping command and you can get your desired result as well. The second most important command is, or the second most important tool is traceroute or traceRT. On the different distros, you may have the different commands to run the same tool, like traceRT on the Windows and traceroute on the Linux platform. By using this command, you can trace out routing table. Suppose I have one issue with my GitHub repository, or I have my server on the AWS site and I have particular IP, and I want to check whether it is not accessible for me, and I want to check whether I am able to reach to that particular site or not. So you can just put trace RT or trace route and then IP address of your server. It will start to show you the routing table, which hopes it is taking, your network is taking to connect to the particular site or not. On that, you can find out whether it is getting blocked at your system level or the firewall level, or it is crossing your firewall but not reaching your hosted region. So might be issues from, you can consider the issues from the inbound rules of the hosted region like AWS. So you can trace its connectivity, or by using number of hop count, will be able to trace out where is the exact issue, or where your connection is not getting connected, or where it exactly stuck. So it's again very important tool. The third command is Lookup or dig. Again, I am just telling you that on the different distros, you will be able to run the different command, but it will be able to give you the same result, because the same tool has different names on the different versions. Like dig command, you can use it for the Linux distros, even for the Mac also, and the Lookup we can use for the Windows. So what it can do, sometimes if there are DNS issues, DNS is not able to resolve it, and Lookup is mainly working on that DNS part. Like it will resolve that IP address or hostname to IP and IP to hostname, vice versa. If you put Lookup and then google.com, then it will give you to google.com's IP addresses and all that details. Similarly for dig as well, dig is little bit advanced version, as obviously if we are going to the Mac or the Linux part, it will give you something more as compared to Windows. So dig and then simple your IP address or the host name of the particular website to which you want to know more. It will gives you directly all the information. The fourth command is Netstart. Again, it is a very important tool because if you run this command or if you use this tool, it will give you all the network diagnostic details. If you run only the Netstart, it will show you the open ports, listening ports, what ports are available, active, and all the network information which is resides in your system. So it is again very important tool in the perspective of the network troubleshooting. Also, by using Netstat, you can monitor your network. Like if somebody is trying to do something with your ports, like any hacker or any illegitimate things are coming to your system with a different port, then it will shows you that this particular thing is using this port, and you can trace out that whether you allowed these particular things in your network or not, and by identifying that you can just monitor your network as well. So it is very important tool in the perspective of monitoring as well. The fifth tool is Wireshark. Wireshark is a very fast tool. You can use it for the packet tracing and packet analyzing. In the security departments, we can use this Wireshark to analyze the packet, whatever you are transferring from your network system to system or what you are getting with the internet. Everything can be traced with the help of Wireshark. Most probably in IT environment, for the normal users or the end users, it is not allowed to use this Wireshark. Just IT persons are mostly allowed to use such kind of tools which can be trace the network packets and everything. The sixth tool is Ymap. I'm telling you, Ymap is the best tool for the security persons. Like we can trace out IP addresses with their host names, and that particular IP addresses are connected to the which ports, which different IPs, etc. All the information you will get by the help of that Ymap. It is most commonly used for security auditing because if you want to audit, or if you if you want to check, I have my XYZ server and I want to check to particular which server it is getting connected or which ports I have enabled to the particular site. So you can just give the command and the particular IP address of your server, and it will give you whole list of each and every connection established with that particular IP. Even though you can provide the whole subnet, consider if you have a separate VLANs for the servers, management network, and your user VLAN. So you can provide that VLAN range, and it will give you each and every system that is connected with your VLAN. It's part of your VLAN and its details. That particular server, suppose it is a VLAN of the server, and in that VLAN, which server is connected to which different ports, and the which ports are allowed that for the particular IPs, and every information related to that particular server or VLAN, it will shows you. So it's again, I'm telling you, it's very useful tool, and it's loved by hacker as well, as it gives the full details to them to work on. The seventh tool is TCP Dump. We mostly use it to troubleshoot our network connectivity. Suppose if you are trying to reach to somewhere and we are not able to get the particular result or desired result. So in that scenario, we are just trying to get more help or more details with the help of TCP Dump. It will trace out the particular IP or particular IP range or the destination host or whatever details we need from the particular IP or particular server. We have to just provide the inputs and Ethernet media, that is the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet connection, whatever it is, and simply it will trace all the packets coming to that particular port, that is Ethernet port or the wireless adapter, and it will store a particular file. And after that, after some time, when you finish to trace that packet, you can analyze later, or you can get more details with the help of that captured packets. The eighth command is ipconfig. Now ipconfig, again, it will gives you the list of IP addresses assigned to your system. Along with that, whatever network adapters are available on your system, you can find out that as well. So it is again very important command, because without IP, anything whatever you wants to try, it is not possible. If you want to connect somewhere, if you want to cross check it, if you want to troubleshoot it, without IP it will not happen. So IP is the most common, most basic and most important thing in our networking. In Windows we can use ipconfig. Similarly, on the Linux side we can use the ifconfig command. So there are different commands to get the IP address, but at the end the result and the scenario is same. The ninth command is MTR. It is simply mix or combined type of ping and trace route that it will gives you the same result at the same time combinedly, like ping also and trace route as well. We can say the most advanced version of ping as well as trace route. The 10th command is NETCAT command. By using NETCAT command, we can analyze the traffic or we can particularly trace packet transferred to the particular website or the particular IP with their port numbers. So again, it has the different commands like for the Windows different, Linux, and the again for the different Linux distros also it has the different commands. The 11th tool is OpenSSL. So OpenSSL is the most commonly used tool nowadays because SSL and TLS connection that you are able to use this SSL certificate in your web browser. So to create such kind of SSL certificate, we should have the OpenSSL, and by using such a OpenSSL, we can create the secure certificates which can be used for the multiple purposes where your authentication or the automation with the authentication or the SSOs needed. We can use these SSL certificates to just automate the things and make it more secure. So as per the security perspective, it is one of the most important tool which is being used nowadays. It is being used since long time, but for the security concern, it is the most important tool. The 12th one is Wi-Fi Analyzer tool. I like this tool because somebody again and again just complaining. This is one most common issue for every IT engineer that said my internet is not working. My internet is very slow. Even though if you know that it is working very properly, access points are working very properly, then also you need to go and you just need to check whether truly it is having some network issues or not. You just need to download one Wi-Fi Analyzer tool in your mobile and you just move around your organization or your area, your floor, and you will be get the proper information whether you are getting the proper signal at particular area or not. So it is very useful tool, even though it will show you which channel it is using currently. So if there are any interferences in between this wireless access point, then also you can resolve it by using that channeling information with the help of Wi-Fi Analyzer tool. 13th tool is Putty, my one of the favorite, because if I want to take any kind of server's access, then I use Putty only to take the SSH access most commonly, and if you are going to take the serial connection access, then also it is fine in so many automobile industries to just connect your hardware and to take the serial cables output and everything. It is also very helpful. Putty is the best tool among all the remote control tools. Even though you can save SSH key for the authentication purpose, every time you want to connect one particular server, then you can define one particular authentication key. By using that, we can directly connect it. So multiple tools are there similar kind of Putty, but as a lightweight and easy to use tool, I recommend the Putty only. The 14th and most important tool is IPERF. Tools measures the bandwidth and it will allows you or it will help you to check your internet connectivity as well with the help of bandwidth, whether there is a lag, how much bandwidth are getting utilized for the particular downloads and particular website. Each information you can get it by using the different flag. If you just enter command IPERF space -h for help, then you will see lots of flags. By using those flags, you can get the different outputs regarding this bandwidth and the network. The 15th tool is SolarWinds Network Performance Monitoring Tool, or NPM. So as I told you, like Wireshark, it is also very fast tool and it is used to monitor the whole network in your organization. You can install it and then you don't need to worry for the manual tracing and the monitoring the systems, because it has the lots of options to give you the desired result. If we want to make one video on that, it will require 2 to 3 hours to get the complete explanation of the SolarWinds. So it is a very fast tool and very useful tool in order to monitor your network. Guys, these are the 15 most important and the common tools which you can use in your organization to keep your network up to date, keep your systems up to date, and there are any issues or any errors regarding network or the connectivity, by using these applications or these tools, you can easily troubleshoot all the issues. Even though it doesn't matter whether you are experienced or the fresher, if you know how to use these tools, you can easily figure it out where is the exact issue in your network or in your connectivity. So guys, this is it for now. Let me know if you want to know more information regarding any topic, so just put your thoughts in comment and I will try to make those videos for you. Also guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Knowledge Modulation. We'll see you in our next video. Till that time, bye bye.